King Tut, tell me, how were the pyramids built?
Let's see. It was 2,000 years ago.
3,000.
3,000. A man, who looked like you, by the way, saved the day.
Mr. Tut, you're breaking in men's backs. They need Pak Hak.
What is Pak Hak?
Here, take a look at this.
Pak Hak straps attach to your backpack in minutes, allowing it to slide over your suitcase handle, but it does so much more. The patent-pending, infinitely adjustable straps wrap around other packs or bags, allowing you to get your companions' packs off their back. Install Pak Hak on all your family travel bags and carry multiple bags at once.
Pak Haks for everyone.
Now, isn't that better?
Much better.
Pak Hak. It gets the pack off your back.
You're very famous now in something called Halloween.
What do you mean my costume is not realistic? This is real Egyptian cotton.